Feel the Beat project has been brought to St John Vianney School by Olympias Music Foundation. OMF are a Manchester-based charity first founded in 2015, working to champion diversity in music education for young people and engaging local communities in musical projects.
I'm Ali Mack. I'm a music practitioner. I use music to help people with disabilities to communicate and express themselves. This term we've been using the theme of castles, kings and queens and everything that can be associated with that. So we've been using lots of musical instruments and musical backing to create really diverse and interesting activities that can be adapted to suit the needs and abilities of each class.
Get up.
My name's Shelley and I'm the movement facilitator on this project with OMF working at St John Vianney School. My role within the group is to encourage the children to explore the space and their surroundings and the props that I bring in to express themselves freely within the space alongside the music element. So for me, it's about creating that safe environment, but bringing in things to spark their imagination. So we've brought in fabrics and they've dressed as kings and queens. We've brought in balls and we've had a go at juggling as jesters. So it's about integrating the movement within the music.
My favourite activity is it's very creative and it's very amazing to do. And also I like when we do a lot of activities with the drums. That's what I like as well about Olympias music. People love music because it makes them stand out the way they are.
Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a teaching assistant at St John Vianney. I've helped organise and facilitate the Olympias music workshops at school. They've been amazing sessions because Ali and Shelley have been able to kind of adapt all of their ideas and stuff to the different levels of the classes. So Miss Murphy's class, like there's barely any words spoken, but still the children are able to, like they show an awful lot of communication and emotion and like enjoyment, even though there's no words being spoken. And it's all done through music and movement. Excited, happy and excited.
Really excited.
Really excited. What's your favourite thing to do in the sessions? Drumming. Cool. And what about singing and dancing?
Oh, I love it.
What's your favourite thing to do in the session? The drums with the music.
They really enjoy coming in. They enjoy trying out the different instruments and playing with the instruments. And I think also they utilise a lot of their sensory skills. If they don't have the prompting, then obviously they kind of sit still. But doing the workshop, they're engaged all the time. They're using a lot of their sensory skills, and I think it's great for them.
I'm looking forward to carrying on with this Olympias music forever, probably. If I could.
Is there any instrument you'd really like to learn?
My favourite instrument would be a ukulele and the drums. That's my inspiration to do when I'm older.
My favourite moment in an OMF session this year, there are lots obviously, but one that really stands out is in Mr. Healy's class's first session. We were walking around the hall in a new space for them, and everyone had a piece of glockenspiel, and we were kind of passing around the sound. We did it in an order, and then we did it kind of more improvisationally, and you'd point to the person and play the sound, and everyone was walking around, and that was a really cool experience to kind of make some group music together without any speaking as well, which was really, really cool.